Getting ready for our flight to Puerto Rico. We're not gonna
Look
she
at
has a
that.
bodacious sunrise.
Look at that. I did Malibu instead of tequila.
I have a Spirit flight. Second stop from the party bus. Here we are right there. Stop number 3. How you feeling? Never mind. Heading over to the 4th stop. We had to take a break from the party bus. We have beautiful stuff over there. Just couldn't hear. I couldn't hear myself speak.
Five hours later.
All right, 4:08 and we are headed home. It looks like a dungeon in here.
There's no way. Turn the light on.
Day 2, heading over to where are we going? Old San Juan.
Oh, San Juan.
Well, first we're getting sandwiches.
Oh.
Getting sandwiches first. And
Food first. Important necessities first.
We got Josh and Dad. These roads are crazy though.
Yeah, no, it's...
These roads are crazy though, but...
Josh almost hit a chicken on the way to the chicken spot.
Real.
Yeah.
It was on the chicken, for me, real. That would have been the chicken's choice.
Yeah, last night was pretty good. It was a lot. A little overload. Got through it. Everyone survived. Yeah, so it was a good day.
Yeah, no, fuck. Oh, shit.
Over here in Old San Juan. About to stop at Pandora first. Yeah, so we got the Pandora.
That's it. I did it.
She really wants to go to a place called Backdoor. It's kind of weird. He goes into some freaky shit.
This is why our YouTube is not child friendly.
Yep, and then we are done. Well, with shopping, and then we're gonna be just
I
going
don't even need to
around,
go to the mall no more.
trying to find something to eat.
Yeah.
You gonna eat?
Maybe. The other unk just strolling down the road like he owns it.
In the middle of the road, actually, too.
He's strolling down.
Can't walk that way. I can tell my wife at the store somewhere down there.
Plus, she didn't have to come this far.
Huh?
So shit 45 is hiding in the distance.
Uh-huh.
I can't say AK.
AK-45s. Yeah.
Serious firepower.
City smells like it's just a walk-in dispensary.
Yeah.
If there's one at every
You're part of the group.
right. Like, how do you prove that you're on first?
What's it anyway?
It's the requirement.
What you think so far, Amber? Pretty nice.
This is like I'm gonna be a little sad if Cancun is not like this.
If Cancun is not like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if we're gonna be going to the city in Cancun when we go over there. I think it's more like the beach area. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
Right?
Holy.
You ever saw Captain Ron?
No.
You ever saw Captain Ron the movie?
No, I have not.
Filmed it over here.
Captain Ron?
Yeah, it was funny.
Sorry, I
Mr. Lonely. I got nobody.
It's cool. It's beautiful. It's important.
That is El Moro. El Moro. Mojo. I'm going to El Mojo. It's like St. Augustine.
Yeah. It's like Fort DeSoto.
I haven't been to Fort DeSoto.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I guess I have to go to Fort DeSoto. How far is Fort DeSoto from home?
Not that far. Like Disney? But it's not at Disney, it's like the opposite way of Disney.
So you got some folks tapping out,
Yeah, I'm sure.
some folks still going through. See if we're gonna walk up to the Mojo. What's to the right? How is it? Very nice, very nice. Got the pina colada. From down that way, down there yonder. Honestly, I think the mojito. I like the mojito more than that one.
Really?
Yeah, mojito's really good.
No.
It's like it's really crisp and clean and refreshing.
That's your type of vibe though. I'm like a fruity.
Yeah,
Okay, good luck.
it's really good. Can't go wrong with either of them.
What's that, like a cow pigeon?
A cow pigeon?
Yeah, the pigeon
Oh,
looks
yeah.
like a cow.
I think it's called dappled. Did you want to get a place over here? One of these? No? Like right up there?
No.
Got in a slant. I remember I had a house or an apartment that literally had a slant. Like the floors were slanted. I was walking up that thing sideways.
I don't even like walking down this right now. I feel like I need to run down. I couldn't get down fast.
Who's good, bro?
I know.
You don't know where you're gonna go.
Yeah, walking down here, you gotta kind of arch your back a little bit, you know. Put your shoulders back, chest out, bend the knees a little bit. You know, that's how you walk.
Walk through the snow.
Yeah.
Like bending knees like this when walking through.
No, like deep stuff.
Oh, no. I need to It's like,
How does it feel, Josh, going from all that snow to here within a day? Oh, there's a step there.
Die. No, that's more. I know.
See your Bad Bunny shirt. Your Bad Bunny Super Bowl shirt.
Bowl, baby.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at, we got 2 of them. Okay. Had to go get some
Wait, they haven't left.
souvenirs.
They're still in the.
Oh yeah.
So it's good.
Oh, there they are. I did not know Bad Bunny was everywhere like that. Look at you dancing.
it's like real shows in this. Yeah.
Turn shows, filter shows.
I've never
I don't
seen
know, make
that.
paperweights maybe? I don't know. Pride.
Me and him taking a picture of a sign. You want to take a picture?
It's a very nice area, very nice trip, but I'm ready to go back to the Airbnb and take a nap.
Sleep. Ready to go to bed.
You got the Queen Elizabeth right there.
Oh, what's the name of the fruit?
Well, I know it's like the boat, right? But like, what is the? I don't know.
It says Canard on the side. Maybe that's the boat.
I like the name of the boat. It's just Queen Elizabeth.
Yeah, you're talking about the line, right? Like the cruise line.
Yeah. Maybe it is Queen Elizabeth.
I'm not sure. I'm gonna Google it.
Because it will tell you right inside of the boat.
Yeah. This is the cruise port area.
Patron.
The Queen Elizabeth. The cruise line is called the Cunard. C-U-N-A-R-D. I just looked it up on Google. We have the Queen Elizabeth here. We have, I don't know, I can't read that far away. That's a nice sleek looking ship. Yeah, look at that.
This one might be an embassy.
Oh,
It's like how much
yeah, that's nice.
back one.
That back one is pretty huge. That's what she said.